Shri Guru Namaga children, this is 12th standard state board exercise 1.7. First sum, solve the homogeneous equation. Solve the homogeneous equation. Solve the homogeneous equation. I told you in the previous video itself, I discussed with you what is homogeneous equation. Yeah, the constant term become 0. See, the constant values are 0. There is no number in that constant value, numerical in that constant value. The constant values are 0. It's nothing but a homogeneous equation. Previously we have discussed the non-homogeneous equation. Now we are going to discuss about the homogeneous equation. What is homogeneous equation? The constant. This is the constant, that is the variable. Constant values are 0. See, the constant values are 0. But non-homogeneous value equation means that constant values are some other numericals is there. Okay, I hope you understood. See here, this is non-homogeneous equation. Previously what we have discussed, that is non-homogeneous equation. Solve the homogeneous equation. The equations are given by rank method only, because that is the only method we can choose delta not equal to 0. It is a singular matrix also. That is the only method we can choose if it is a matrix or a non-singular matrix also. If it is non-singular matrix, we have no problem. We can choose matrix inversion method, determinant method, Cramer's rule method. But it is a singular method or non-singular method, we can choose rank method. See, by rank method. First, what we are going to do? You write it in a matrix form. The same way you can proceed. You write it in a matrix form. See, what is that matrix form? 3, 2, 7, 4, minus 3, minus 2, 5, 9, 23. 3, 2, 7, 4, minus 3, minus 2, 5, 9, 23 into x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0. If b value is, all the b values are equal to 0, it's nothing but a homogeneous equation. So, a x equal to b. What is the next step? Think, what is the next step? That is augmented matrix. Yeah, good. The augmented matrix. The augmented matrix. The augmented matrix means you can write A, comma, B. What is A value here? 3, 2, 7. What is B value? 0. 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0. Next, 5, 9, 23, 0. This is B value. A, comma, B. See, we move on to the next slide. See here. A, comma, B equal to. What is A value? 3270. 3270. Next, 4 minus 3 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 minus 2, 0. Next, 5, 9, 23, 0. 5, 9, 23, 0. This is B value. We will start the rank method. See here, any element 1 is there? No, there is no 1 in the given matrix. But what we will do? We will think of the elimination method. See here. We will start the rank. What symbol we can put? That is an equivalence symbol, equivalence. This is R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3. See here, R1 as it is you can write 3, 2, 7, 0. What is R2? Just you think, what is R2? By doing the elimination method, you can multiply the opposite coefficient. We can multiply it the same way. See here, 4 is here and 3 is here. So multiply R1 by 4 and R2 by 3. Multiply R1 by 4 and R2 by 3. R2 gives multiply. R2 we can multiply by 3 because 3 the number is there. So 3R2 minus 4R1. 3R2 minus 4R1. You do it in your upper column. See here, 3R2 that is R2 multiplied by 4, 3. R2 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 into 0, 0. Okay. See the next, first one, R1. R1 we can multiply by what? Minus 4. See here, minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 7, minus 28. 0 into 4, 0. Once again I repeat, see here, minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 7, minus 28, 0. So, 0, minus 9, minus 8, minus 17, minus 28 plus 6, minus 34, 0. So, 0, minus 17, minus 34, 0. 0, minus 17, minus 34, 0. So, what is the value of R3? R3 gives, you check the same thing. What is the R3 element? 5. What is the R1 element? 3. See, R3 gives, multiply R3 by 5, R3 by 3 and R1 by 5. See here, 3 R3. You interchange and multiply, that's all. The same way we can do it for the elimination method. 3 R3 minus 5 R1. 3 R3 minus 5 R1. 3 R3 minus 5 R1. See what is the outcome here? See here, 3 R3 multiply R3 by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 9s are 27. See, 3 into 23s are 69. 23 3s are 69. 3 into 0, 0. Okay? Okay children, see here for R1 by minus 5. So, minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 5 into 7, minus 35. Minus 5 into 0, 0. Clear? Are you all clear? See here. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. minus 5 into 7 minus 35 minus 5 into 0, 0. See, 15 minus 15, 0. 27 minus 10, 17. 34. 69 minus 35 is 34. 0. Good. See here. 0, 17, 34, 0. Okay. Then we will bring into the echelon form. Row echelon form. What is row echelon form? Upper triangular matrix become 0. See, check these two numbers. Check these two numbers. R1 as it is you can write 3270. What is R2? 0 minus 17. Yeah. Now the matrix, it is in a echelon form. See, this is in a echelon form. First we will write. See, I will move on to the next slide. Three, 2, 7, 0. 3, 2, 7, 0. This is my R1. See here. 0 minus 17 minus 34, 0. 0 minus 17 minus 34, 0. What is the third row? 0, 0, 0, 0. R2. This is my R3. Okay. So, now the matrix in the echelon form. If it is in the echelon form also, we will get the values. See here, the matrix. What is it is in? It is in echelon form. It is in echelon form. What is rank of A? This is rank of A. What is rank of A? That is row of A. How many non-zero rows are there? 2 non-zero rows are there because one fully is a 0 row. Third row is a 0 row. So what is the rank of A? Row of A. Row of A. The rank symbol is row. Row of A equal to 2. What is the rank of AB? Row of AB. Rank of AB is nothing but row of AB. Row of AB is equal to 2. See, that one row fully it's a 0 row means rank of A equal to 2, rank of AB is equal to 2. What is the condition? Tell the condition. See here, row of A equal to row of AB equal to 2 less than n. What is the n value here? 3. Because we are having 3 variables x, y and z, 3 unknowns. Okay. So, less than 3 number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. Row of A equal to row of AB equal to 2 less than 3 number of unknowns. So, the given matrix, bring it into again matrix. Given matrix you can write it in a equation. 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0. See the second row, x term is 0. So, we will start with y minus 17y minus 34z equal to 0. Last row fully 0. So, you can take it as any one of the variable, not only for z, you can take it as any one of the variable, either x or y or z. Okay. Z equal to k, where k belongs to all. I already discussed with you. What is that? R. R means real number. It takes minus infinity to plus infinity. So, k belongs to R. So, you can take it as fourth equation, fifth equation. See, substitute z equal to k in fifth equation. Substitute z equal to k in fifth equation. Minus 17y minus 34k equal to 0. Instead the value of z I can substitute k. So minus 17y equal to 34k. Minus 17y equal to 34k. Y equal to 17 ones are 17 twos are minus y equal to plus 2k. Y equal to minus 2k. Y equal to minus 2k. Next, what is the equation? 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y plus 7z, 3x plus 2y plus 7z plus 7z equal to 0, y value equal to minus 2k, z value equal to k. Y value equal to minus 2k, z value equal to k. Substitute y equal to minus 2k, z equal to k in the fourth equation. In fourth equation, substitute 3x plus 2 into minus 2k plus 7 into k equal to 0. So 3x minus 4k plus 7k equal to 0. 3x plus 3k equal to 0. 7k minus 4k is 3k equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 3k. 3x equal to minus 3k. 3 get cancelled. X equal to minus k. So what is the solution? X equal to minus k, y equal to minus 2k and z equal to k, where k belongs to R. Very important. Where k belongs to R. If it is k belongs to R, it is nothing but a infinite number of solution. Because k can take any value between minus infinity to plus infinity. So you are getting infinite number of solution or many number of solution. See here, it is infinite number of solution or infinite number of solution or it is a homogeneous equation. It is a homogeneous equation. You will write non-trivial solution. Infinite number of solution or non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. Homogeneous equation. It is nothing but infinite number of solution or non-trivial solution.